So the holidays are right around the corner and those early Black Friday deals have already begun. Woohoo! Everybody's happy about that, right? Everybody loves a good deal. But you need to make sure that you get the best deals and you don't have time to research. I mean, who does, right? Or maybe you're watching this video at a later date and just need recommendations. If that sounds like you, you are in the right place. We've got you covered. So today we're going to start with gifts best suited for ages 3 to 5, but make sure to like and subscribe because we will be working our way up the line with the best deals and gifts for the holidays. As always, everything mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. And just so that you guys know, I used to teach pre-K kiddos, so this age group is near and dear to my heart. Many of the items mentioned in this video are those that my kiddos absolutely loved and flocked to. So let's go ahead and get started.
This list is not in any particular order, but first up we have Squiggs. Squiggs were created by Fat Brain Toys. They are silicone suction cups that come in a variety of different shapes and sizes. The set displayed here is perfect for ages 3 to 5. Squiggs stick to each other as well as mirrors, windows, most metal surfaces, and porcelain surfaces. I have seen my kiddos create everything from accessories to vehicles and elaborate buildings with these little suckers. They are also easy to clean, which is always a perk. As an educator, I gravitate more toward toys that will strengthen children's hand-eye coordination, fine and gross motor skills, can accommodate varying abilities, and provide limitless creative expression, and of course, are just plain fun. So that's why I love Squiggs. Next up, we have Gears. These were made by Learning Resources. Children begin by putting together base plates included in the set and then add gears and cranks to bring life to their creation. They choose whether or not to build flat structures or tall structures, and I can honestly say that I've never seen two creations that were exactly alike. If you're looking for a toy that will gear your kiddo toward engineering, this is the perfect way to ignite that spark. Next up, we have Osmo. This is the only piece of technology I have on the list, but it is one of my favorites. Osmo combines tactile, visual, and auditory learning with technology. Though I know many are against technology at an early age, Osmo has put together a developmentally appropriate, engaging, and educational learning toy that has the ability to reach and meet the needs of all styles of learning. Kids really love seeing their ideas and creations come to life on screen, so this is a great way to motivate and channel technology into a positive and educational direction. The fourth item on our list doesn't really have a name, but it consists of tubular pipes and wheels with connectors. This set is made by Wishalife, and one of the reasons I love it is because it's compatible with Lego base plates. Connecting to a base plate is the perfect way to scaffold engineering for younger children, and children have the ability to create virtually anything with the elbow connectors, straight pieces, and wheels, which are always a fan favorite. And again, this toy hits a variety of elements that will help strengthen their physical and cognitive abilities, such as fine motor skills, problem solving skills, visual thinking, color and shape recognition, and spatial awareness, just to name a few. And of course, it's just plain fun. So if you have a music lover, there's also a music kit that children will love. And sorry, parents, if you want your kiddo to have exposure to music, you're going to have to learn to love those squeaky sounds of beginner exploration, and I'll link some earplugs down below. Number 5 on our list is Picasso Tiles. Picasso tiles are magnetic tiles that can be engineered on a flat surface, or children can also choose to engineer tall buildings. There are many different sets to choose from depending upon your child's interest. Some sets include letters, numbers, and stories, while others consist of primary colors and shapes. Another fun thing to do with this toy is light exploration. This can be executed with a light table, flashlight, window, or through sunlight, and is just another way to ignite that science spark within your kiddo. As I stated before, most children love wheels, and Picasso has add-ons for transportation that include wheels to get their creations moving. Number 6 is Brickyard Building Blocks. This is an engineering toy that includes wheels, blocks, brackets, bolts, and tools for engineering and creating whatever your child can imagine. This toy is another one that my pre-K kiddos loved, and it hit many of the educational and social emotional components that I look for in a good toy. And bonus, it comes in a container that actually fits all the pieces. Number 7 on our list is the Water Doodle Mat by Toik. The Water Doodle Mat is a drawing mat that includes reusable water-filled markers. Yes, that's right. It's basically art without all the mess. The colors on the mat disappear when they dry, so this is the perfect toy for young artists who enjoy creating more than cleaning, and of course for parents who feel the same. This set also includes letter, number, and shape stencils. Next up on our list is the Flybar Foam Pogo Jumper. I am so excited to see that they've finally made a pogo stick for little guys. This pogo stick comes in a variety of different themes and colors, and there's also a light up feature. It's safe for indoor and outdoor use, which is perfect for the preservation of your floor, inclement weather, and energized kiddos. More importantly, it enhances hand-eye coordination, balance, and gross motor skills. Number 9 on our list, we have the American Ninja Warrior Competition Set. This is an outdoor toy perfect for perfecting and channeling your kiddos' ninja moves. The course can be altered and laid out in a variety of ways, and I would recommend setting it up for them the first time and gradually moving toward them creating their own course. Number 10 on our list is the iPlay iLearn Mini Golf Trainer. This is an outdoor set, and it is unique in that it is suitable for right and left-handed golfers. It promotes gross motor skills, fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, problem solving, and social emotional skills, just to name a few. And golfers can decide on and change the head of the club manually depending upon the terrain. Number 11 on our list is another outdoor toy. Creative Forts is a Tinyland product. This set has 130 pieces to build fort mansions, pyramids, castles, bunkers, and more. This is another toy that allows children to create whatever they can imagine. As a pre-K teacher, I loved building toys like this because they have an organic way of bringing children together for collaboration, and anytime you collaborate with others, you have the opportunity to grow socially and emotionally. Though that may mean an occasional tear, it is also a step in the right direction to teaching your kiddos to be good humans and to have a growth mindset. In addition, and unbeknownst to most children, they are also learning important problem solving and math skills. Last, but certainly not least on our list, is the Find and Seek Scavenger Hunt card game. This fun little card game includes directions to play the game in 3 different ways. The first game is called Find and Seek. In this game, participants are given 5 cards, and the first to find all 5 objects wins. The second game is called Back in a Flash. Participants are shown 1 card on the deck, and the first player to find a match and race back in a flash wins. The third game is called Match All 3 Cards. Each player is dealt 3 cards, and the first player to find an item that matches all 3 of their cards wins. As children become more advanced, they are sure to want to create their own version of the game, which makes this game even more educational and fun.
I hope you all enjoyed our Amazon gift giving ideas for ages 3 to 5. Stay tuned as we work our way through all ages, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any deals. See you next time.